YouTube. As you can see, my drone is down and I'm about to take off. And I'll show you where I'm at here shortly. I just wanted to get up and get out of here quick. All right. I am at a construction site. This is in Valrico. But maybe like 4 years ago they started this construction site for apartments. And I'm saying maybe like a year ago, hopefully you can hear me, a year ago, this project just came stopped. And I read on some of the local neighborhood Facebook pages that they ran out of money, but I'm not sure. But I came out here yesterday actually and made a video, but I didn't like the way it turned out, so let's try it again. And I may have to sit in here. Okay, we're just gonna fly around here, and then I'll show you it from above. I'm going to pull up this, there we go. So I can see if I'm flying sideways, make sure nothing's, I'll do a stream recording, you'll see what I'm talking about. Let me go up just a little. I see the drone, yeah, we're far enough off the ground. And I'm pretty sure there's no one out here. Allergies was kicking my butt yesterday, and it's kicking it again today. Yeah, about 4 or 5 years ago, this was all wooded, and we found out they were building apartments here. A lot of people weren't happy, but you can see some of the equipment still out here. See, I'm 19 feet above the ground, so I should be able to clear this stuff, but why take a chance? Let me get over here. Let's go up just a little. I think these are the stairwells, maybe. I heard they usually start with this stuff. Let me zoom back out. I should try and fly through, huh? Nah, I'll lose signal. I'll take the drone above and you can see an overall view of this site, but it's a shame they tore all of the, I think it's a little too loud here, hold on. Let me put this window up. There we go. Should be able to hear me now. Let me see what's over here before I do a turn here. Yesterday I put the drone in FPV mode and it wasn't pretty. We'll try that again today. But yeah. It's daylight, so my obstacle avoidance should be working well. All right, let's go in FPV mode. And I got it in Cine. And okay. This mini drone is kind of fast, so. And I'm flying back towards me. This is actually fun. Let's go to normal mode. Get a little more speed. If anything happens to my drone, I can get out of the vehicle and hop the fence. All right, let's go up. That was close. And I am not good at this. But while we're up here, let's go on up. And I'll show you the complete site. Start back and back. Okay.
Max altitude reached.
But this is the complete site. Go back in cine mode. Let's go down just a little. I think that's an aircraft I hear, but don't see anything on my map yet. Over here is a salvage yard. Let me get out of FPV mode. This is a salvage yard, and I'll zoom in. You can see all these cars down there. I'm not sure if, I'm pretty sure these aren't cars they repaired, and they may be buying these things from an auction or whatever, or insurance company when someone have an accident and strip it. See, there's a bin here. Let's go down just a little. It's also this place is a auto collision, like a repair facility. So lots of wrecked cars out here. Look at that. You don't realize it's that big until you're in the air. Let's zoom back out. Now the building here, like in the center, is the original building. And they just built this other one here maybe about a year or two ago. And this is Highway 60 here in Valrico. Okay, let's go in normal mode. We'll fly up here just a little and come back. I think these are townhouses or apartments. Let's fly over here. I'm zooming in on the Wawa gas station. And this car wash, I should know the name because I go there often, but this is fairly new. Saved me a trip for like 20 minutes uptown. I could just go here. And we'll fly down here just a little. Bring it down a little. Good signal. Signal interference. I'm losing signal. Gaining some altitude. And I'll stop right here. This building here, it's a glass building, but oh wow, look at that traffic. Okay, back to what I was saying. I think maybe like, I'll say 12, 15 years ago, they built this building and it sat for like 10 years empty. And finally, a real estate company, Keller Williams, I think, is in there now, but there's still space available. You got the Valrico post office right here. I think Advanced Auto and a storage place, but I should give a traffic report. And this is a Winn-Dixie. I think a Beef O'Brady's in here. A couple other businesses. Steak and Shake. And that's about it. I'm going to zoom in and see if we can see the buildings downtown Tampa. Kind of like in the top center. Little, I don't know if that's fog or haze or what, but okay, we're going to bring it back here. And I want to do one more flyover over these stairwells. Let's go in sport mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
And see how fast we can get that thing. 36, almost 37. I don't think it's that windy, but let's go back to normal mode. We'll start bringing it down. And you can get another view of how large this would have been. I'm assuming this is part of it also. But, like I said, I want to get it over here. And I just want to fly kind of close to over the top of one of the stairwells. And we'll come over here. And I can get down a little more. Uh, 100 feet. And let's go over here, put it in cine mode. There we go. I can bring the gimbal down a little more. And let's zoom in. Yeah, I'm sure those guys fly the FPV will be having a lot of fun out here. And let's look in one more. A little more construction here. Okay, I'm gonna bring it home. Let's see if we can get a precision landing here.
Return to home.
Where's the mute? There we are. I may have to stop it. It's coming close to that fence. Okay, we cleared it. Hopefully the action camera is picking this up. Almost a perfect landing, I think. All right, that was fun. I will see you guys on the next video. I'll try and get another one out today also. Later.